Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valheim on Android. While Valheim isn't natively available as a mobile app, you can absolutely enjoy this fantastic survival game on your phone or tablet through cloud streaming. This method allows you to play the full PC version of the game, bringing the vast world of Valheim right to your fingertips. We'll cover the essential steps and tools you'll need to get started, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. To stream Valheim, you'll need a cloud gaming service. Two excellent options are GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. GeForce Now lets you stream your existing PC games, including Valheim, directly to your Android device. If you own Valheim on Xbox, Xbox Cloud Gaming is another viable choice. Both services offer different subscription tiers, so pick the one that best fits your gaming library and budget for seamless access. Once you've chosen a service, download its official app from the Google Play Store. After installation, log in with your account credentials. For the best experience, I strongly recommend using a Bluetooth game controller. Valheim's complex controls are much easier to manage with a physical controller than with on-screen touch controls. Simply pair your controller with your Android device, and you'll be ready to dive into the game. To ensure the smoothest Valheim experience, optimize your setup. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz connection, and try to minimize other internet usage. Close any background apps on your Android device to free up processing power. You might also consider adjusting Valheim's in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. These steps will significantly reduce latency and improve overall streaming quality, making your adventures in Valheim more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.